أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن المنافقين يخادعون الله وهو خادعهم وإذا قاموا إلى الصلاة قاموا كسالى يراءون الناس ولا يذكرون الله إلا قليلا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 142. In this ayat, Allah tells us further information about the hypocrites. So first of all, we must know that the main quality of hypocrites is they cheat, they deceive the people in order to get their benefits. And they do it with Allah also. They try to deceive Allah also. And also the second, the bad quality of these people is when they are just going to pray just for salah, so they are very lazy, they are reluctant, they are not to go quickly like when they are just doing their own job with active and smart way. They are not to do it they are not to pray like this, but they, when at the prayer time, at the salah time, they are passive, they are lazy, they are reluctant. So this is the situation what we can see, observe in them. And the other thing, when they are praying or they are giving away charity or whatever they are doing, so they are just to pretend that they become show off, just to show the people that they understand that we are so much generous, we are just a good Muslim. They want that they should have a good name in the eyes of people. This way they try to pretend. So this is the other bad quality of these people. And the other thing is that these people, they are not to remember Allah a lot. Like a person who is with Iman, so that person is also in love with Allah. So, but these people, they are not in remembering of Allah. If they remember, they just remember Allah a little. So this is the qualities which Allah has mentioned in this ayat. We read this one, we will understand more better, inshallah. So Allah said, Innal munafiqina, inna, no doubt, in fact, munafiqina, these hypocrites, yukhadi'un Allah, they are to cheat Allah, they are to deceive Allah. Wahuwa khadi'uhum, and Allah leave them in deception. Wa iza qamu, and when they are stand up, ila salati, towards salah, towards prayer, qamu kusala, so they are just to stand up lazily. Yura'un an-nasa, they are just to show the people. Wala yazkurun Allah illa qalila, and they are not to remember Allah but a little. So Allah said in this ayat, Innal munafiqina yukhadi'un Allah wa huwa khadi'uhum wa iza qamu ila salati qamu kusala yura'una an-nasa wala yazkuruna Allah illa qalila. So Allah said, indeed, hypocrites, they try to deceive Allah, but Allah leaves them in their deception. And when they stand for salah, for prayer, they stand up lazily to be seen by the people, just to they show off and pretend they are salah. They do not remember Allah but a little. So these are the things which Allah explained in this ayat about the hypocrites. Actually, salah is the second pillar of Islam. So that is the difference between kufr and Islam. And the person who is praying, who is a person with iman, when this person is praying salah, so that person is in between hope and fear in the salah, because this person have hope that whatever I have done sinful act, Allah will forgive me. He has positive hope of forgiveness inside the salah, and have idea that Allah will forgive me and I will be successful at the day of judgment. And also in the salah he is also feeling that fear of Allah, that maybe what I have done so many mistakes or sins and blunders and so many things. So this way there is possibility that if Allah will not forgive me, I will be under torment, I will be under punishment. So this is the situation. The person who is with iman, his praying is like in between these two situations, like between the fear and the hope. And also this person feels that I'm standing on the bridge, that is bridge like the hair. And also he thinks that his paradise is at my right side and left side is hellfire, and the angel of death is there. Maybe this is my last salah. So, and he feels that holy Kaaba is before me. And then this person, when read whatever person is reading, he is understanding that one also, and understanding what the person is requesting Allah, what the person is praising Allah, what type of thing the person is saying with his tongue. So the person is understanding also. So this is the type of salah which is done by the person who is believer, who is with iman. But the person who is munafiq, so that person is just to pray quickly, no understanding what the person is doing, and there is no concentration of that person, no devotion in that person, no motivation towards Allah. And so that way he is under deception. Situation is like that. So this way is a munafiq is that person who shows something and outside, but inside is something else. So this way these are the people who are apparently they are Muslim, but inside they have kufr. So this is the main problem what they have. This is the big dilemma of those people, or deception of those people, because they are cheating themselves. They are just working for their own benefits in the whole world. When they find there is chances to get more personal benefit, more worldly benefit, they will try to do each everything. They will not look after, they are not to care about their iman also, about their Islam also. They are just to do each everything to get the personal benefit, the worldly benefit. So this is the situation which we have seen, and this is the special quality of the hypocrites. So this way they try to cheat Allah at that situation, that they show something else to get the worldly benefits. They are not completely in Islam when they are before the kufr, before the non-believers, in order to get the worldly benefits. So this is the situation. So what they feel, and actually they are cheating themselves, but they think they are deceiving Allah. So وَإِذَا قَامُوا إِلَى الصَّلَاةِ قَامُوا كُسَالَى. So when these people, they are just to pray, they are praying lazily. So they go for pray lazily when first of all, if they are sitting in their house or in their business shop or somewhere. So they try to become lazy, not to come to the masjid to pray it. Because at the time of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, people were to pray in the masjid because they were just to, every was to be seen by other people. So if someone is not coming at that time, so it was understood maybe he has gone away from Islam. So this way, even the hypocrites, if they were living at the time of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in Medina, they were just to come in masjid to pray there with Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So in order to show themselves that they are really Muslim, so this way they were to pray with them also. So but now you can see the prayer is not people, they are not to look after that. And even if they are not going masjid, if they are not to pray it in their home or in at the place where they are doing business or anything. So they are not to look after, they are not care for the prayer or salah, which is compulsory for them. And that is the difference between Kufr and Islam. So this is very important, and that's the sign of the hypocrites. So this is very important to understand. And Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also said that the hypocrite person is that one who is just to look at the sun. So when sun is rises between the two horns of Shaitan, so our sun is setting between the two horns of Shaitan. So this person is just to get up to pray quickly, like the animal way, like it has been, like you have seen the hen, like cock, and that is that is just to hit the ground like 4 times, like this way. So and he is not to remember Allah a lot. So this is the situation which the person is doing. And Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also said in another hadith revealed by Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu that the Salatul Fajr and Salatul Isha is very heavy on these kuffar, on these munafiqeen. So munafiqeen, they are in kufr from inside. So this way, this is a very heavy burden on them to pray Salatul Fajr and Salatul Isha. Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said if they were just to know what is the credit of these one, what is the reward of these one, then they were just to come to the masjid even by crawling also. So one day Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he said that I should say to the muezzin that he should do azan, and I can make one person for imam to lead the prayer, and then I should go to fire the houses of those people who are not coming to masjid. So it means, so this is so much important salah, and munafiqeen, they were under problem. So this way, now is you can see the Muslim people by name everywhere, and then they are just to leave the salah. So when the other quality is munafiqeen, because wala yazkurun Allah illa qalila. So these munafiqeen, they are when they are not to remember Allah a lot, they are just to remember Allah a little. So this way, when they come to the masjid, and then they are just to leave the masjid as quick as possible. And Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said in one hadith, the person who is believer is in masjid like a fish in the water, but a munafiq or hypocrite in the masjid is like a bird under cage, the bird in the cage. So this way you need to be free quickly, like you need to go as quick as possible. So they're coming to masjid like this, they are just to leave as quick as possible. So this is the situation. of the munafiqeen. And even you can see Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in one hadith that I am afraid from the people that they will have a shirk asghar. So what is shirk asghar? The companion of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam requested. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, shirk asghar is this pretending to show off. A person who is going to show off his salah, his good word, like for example, if you are helping the people, like giving sadaqah to the people, so if you are just to show that one, pretend that one, so this is like a pretending, this becomes a shirk asghar. And same like that when you are praying, if you are just to show off that, so that is also, these are the qualities to show off, these are qualities of the hypocrites also. So this way we have to look after ourselves. These three qualities, like first is cheating the people. Allah said is cheating the people is cheating me. So this way is cheating the people. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said in one hadith, man ghasha falaysa minna. A person who is cheating to anyone is not from my ummah. So this is the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. And the other thing which is the sign of hypocrite, that is they pray with laziness, and we must be ready that when the prayer time is there, we must be active and smart to pray that. So and not to pretend it, but do it just with the full devotion, just for Allah. And the other quality, they are not to do zikr of Allah, but they are just to do a little. وَلَا يَذْكُرُونَ اللَّهَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. But we have to do zikran kasira. We have to do Allah's zikr as much as we can. So this way we have to be the good Muslim with complete iman, and also doing good deeds, and request Allah to save our iman with us until death. And we should leave this world with iman, with good deeds, with taqwa. Ameen.